दोस्तों 200 किलोमीटर राइड करने के बाद अब मैं पहुंच चुका हूं यरकाड। इस वक्त मैं गुज़र रहा हूं यरकाड की हेयरपिन वाली रोड से। यहाँ काफ़ी सारे हेयरपिन टर्न्स है और यरकाड बस अब 12 किलोमीटर रह गया है। थोड़ी देर में पहुंचूंगा मैं, आधे घंटे के अंदर यरकाड। जर्नी थोड़ी टायरिंग रही इस बार की क्योंकि ट्रैफिक बहुत ज़्यादा था रास्तों में। इवन हाईवे में भी काफ़ी ट्रैफिक था। यहाँ थोड़ी सी ठंड बढ़ रही है धीरे धीरे, टेम्परेचर कम हो रहा है और रास्ते में काफ़ी गर्मी थी, इसके वजह से थोड़ी थकान भी हो गई है। अभी मैंने होटल बुक नहीं किया, आगे जाके यरकाड पहुँचने के बाद देखता हूँ कोई अच्छा होटल मिले ठीक ठाक बजट वाला, वहाँ पर होटल बुक करके थोड़ा सा रेस्ट किया जाएगा। उसके बाद फिर एक्सप्लोर करेंगे यरकाड। सड़कें तो तमिलनाडु की काफ़ी अच्छी है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। तो बीच बीच में कहीं कहीं फ्लाईओवर्स का कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा था, उसके वजह से कई सारे जो रूट्स है वो बाईपास हो रहे थे सर्विस लेन से। इसकी वजह से थोड़ी बहुत दिक्कत हुई, लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई। यहाँ यरकाड जाने वाली जो रोड है ये तो अच्छी खासी बनी हुई है। जगह जगह यहाँ पर वार्निंग साइंस लगे हुए हैं कि ध्यान से गाड़ी चलाए, सेफ्टी रूल्स फॉलो करे। ये काफ़ी अच्छी बात है। हर जगह यहाँ पर डेंजर साइंस, कर्व हेड और वार्निंग सिंबल सब जगह दिए हुए हैं। तो इस वक्त दोस्तों बज रहे हैं 11:45 11:45 और टेम्परेचर है लगभग 30 to 32 डिग्री सेल्सियस यहाँ का। जैसे जैसे ऊपर बढ़ेंगे टेम्परेचर थोड़ा सा रिड्यूस होना चाहिए। मेरे ख्याल से 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक यरकाड में टेम्परेचर रहेगा। बरसात तो होने के चांसेस कम है, हालांकि बादल हल्के हल्के हैं बट बरसात बिल्कुल नहीं है। तो अभी दोस्तों मैंने लंच कर लिया है और मैंने होटल में चेक इन भी कर लिया है। मुझे एक ठीक ठाक ढंग का होटल यरकाड में ही मिल गया। उस होटल का नाम है आराधना इन। तो रूम्स काफ़ी स्पेशियस, नीट एंड क्लीन थे। तो लेक के पास में कुछ एक और मैंने छोटे मोटे होटल्स वगैरह देखे थे, वहाँ पर तो बिल्कुल भी अच्छे रूम्स नहीं थे। फिर अचानक से मुझे एक अच्छा होटल मिला और उसका कॉस्ट है लगभग अराउंड 2200 रुपीज़ पर नाइट का स्टे का कॉस्ट है। सो मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए ऑप्ट नहीं किया, वैसे उसका कॉस्ट 2500 था। एंड नाउ आई एम हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स अ रोड विच विल टेक मी टू अ प्लेस कॉल्ड कावेरी पीक। सो कावेरी पीक नाम की एक जगह है। बेसिकली इट्स एक कावेरी पीक नाम की एक जगह है। बेसिकली वो मेरे ख्याल से एक कॉफ़ी एस्टेट है या फिर एक कैफ़े है, आई डू नॉट नो, बट वहाँ अच्छी कॉफ़ी मिलती है ये ज़रूर पता है मुझे, क्योंकि मेरे एक कलीग ने, जोसेफ ने मुझे बताया कि वहाँ पर बहुत अच्छी कॉफ़ी मिलती है और कुछ अच्छी जगह देखने के लायक भी है वहाँ पर। तो चलो चलते हैं कावेरी पीक। अभी यहाँ पर नेटवर्क बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है। यहाँ प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि मैक्सिमम जगह यहाँ पर 4G मिल रहा है और कुछ जगह बिल्कुल भी नेटवर्क नहीं है, और 5G तो बहुत ही मुश्किल से कहीं कहीं मिल रहा है, तो जिसकी वजह से पेमेंट वगैरह करने में काफ़ी दिक्कत आ रही है। बट किसी तरह से मैनेज हो गया, क्योंकि कई जगह वाईफाई अवेलेबल था तो मैंने वाईफाई के थ्रू पेमेंट कर दिया। इवन होटल में भी वाईफाई है। और जहाँ से मैं इस वक्त गुज़र रहा हूँ, देखो ये कावेरी पीक जो है यहाँ से 4 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस है। ये रास्ता जैसे आप देख सकते हो कि चारों तरफ पेड़ पौधों से, बड़े बड़े पेड़ों से घिरा हुआ है, और यहाँ पर काफ़ी सारे कॉफ़ी प्लांटेशन और पेपर प्लांटेशन है। काफ़ी डेंस कैनपी है यहाँ पर चारों तरफ, बहुत ग्रीनरी है। रोड काफ़ी अच्छी बनी हुई है और इस वक्त धूप है। और देखते हैं कैसा है ये कावेरी पीक। और यहाँ पर नेटवर्क बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है, ज़ीरो नेटवर्क इस एरिया में, तो इसीलिए मेरा मैप भी बंद है। बट मुझे रास्ता पता है कि यही रास्ता लेके जाएगा कावेरी पीक तक। इसी तरह की जगह की मुझे तलाश थी जहाँ पर ग्रीनरी हो, ट्रैफिक ना हो, शोर शराबा ना हो। अभी एक बंदा शोर मचाते हुए गया, बट ऐसे बंदे यहाँ पर कम मिलेंगे थोड़े से। जनरली यहाँ पर आपको चारों तरफ नेचुरल सराउंडिंग, कॉफ़ी प्लांटेशन एंड पेपर प्लांटेशंस मिलेंगे। बहुत सारे पेड़ हैं यहाँ पर। यहाँ पर कुछ रोड कंस्ट्रक्शन वगैरह चल रहा है। यहाँ से गाड़ी बिल्कुल नहीं जा सकती है, केवल बाइक ही जा सकती है। अगर कोई कार यहाँ पर आएगी तो दे कैन नॉट गो फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस। देखो रोड पूरी ब्लॉक है, केवल एक बाइक के जाने का रास्ता है यहाँ पर। शुक्र है बाइक तो निकल सकती है, और अच्छा हुआ इस जगह में कार वार लेके नहीं आया मैं, वरना बहुत दिक्कत हो जाती, फिर वापस टर्न लेना पड़ता। और यहाँ पर एक बाइसन वैली स्टेट है। रास्ता यहाँ से काफ़ी ख़राब हो गया है। अभी तक तो रास्ता अच्छा था, लेकिन यहाँ से रास्ता काफ़ी ऑफ रोडिंग वाला हो गया। कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटीज़ आसपास चल रही है। कावेरी पीक, कावेरी पीक। नेटवर्क अभी यहाँ पर GPRS नेटवर्क आ रहा है, 4G भी नहीं आ रहा है। तो कावेरी पीक के लिए मैंने राइट टर्न लिया है बिल्कुल, बिकॉज़ आगे मुझे मैप में दिख रहा है। मैंने ऑफलाइन मैप डाउनलोड कर लिया था, तो इसके हेल्प से मैं देख पा रहा हूँ कि इसी रास्ते में आगे लगभग 3 किलोमीटर आगे कावेरी पीक आएगा। चलते हैं दोस्तों आगे और देखते हैं कैसा है ये कावेरी पीक। बढ़िया रास्ता तो बड़ा ही शानदार है, मज़ेदार है, मज़ा आ रहा है यहाँ पर राइड करने में। ब्यूटीफुल ट्रेल है माउंटेन के ऊपर, पेड़ पौधों की खुशबू आ रही है चारों तरफ। और अच्छी धूप लग रही है तो मज़ा आ रहा है। ब्यूटीफुल। कुछ यहाँ घर भी बने हुए हैं गांव के लोगों के। दोपहर के दोस्तों बजने वाले 3, इस वक्त बज रहे 2:50 और मेरे पास बस कुछ ही घंटे बचे हुए हैं आज का दिन एंजॉय करने के लिए। उसके बाद कल मुझे वापस जाना है बैंगलोर। तो मुझे लगता है कि आज मैं केवल कावेरी पीक ही देख पाऊँगा, उसके बाद मुझे वापस जाना पड़ेगा। क्योंकि जो यरकाड लेक है जो सेंटर में, वहाँ से इसका डिस्टेंस लगभग 15 किलोमीटर है कावेरी पीक का, 14 से 15 किलोमीटर। एनिमल क्रॉसिंग जोन। I think I'm almost about to reach Kaveri Peak area. Let's see, यहाँ पर काफ़ी अजीब सी महक आ रही है, पता नहीं ये किस चीज़ की है, बट कुछ फर्मेंटेशन की महक आ रही है। आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ दिस, कुछ आइडिया नहीं है मुझे। I think this is Kaveri Peak, could be. Let me just check. I think थोड़ा सा और आगे है। देखो कुछ यहाँ काफ़ी अच्छा कंस्ट्रक्शन तो बना हुआ है, कुछ बढ़िया। और थोड़ा सा आगे चलते हैं। यहाँ लिखा भी है कावेरी पीक ग्रोइंग सिंस 1867। अच्छा, ये कॉफ़ी म्यूज़ियम है बेसिकली, कॉफ़ी म्यूज़ियम फैक्ट्री इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर। अच्छा, तो बेसिकली ये कॉफ़ी म्यूज़ियम है। प्रीमियम कॉफ़ी स्पाइसेस एंड हनी अवेलेबल अहेड। ओके, तो यहाँ कॉफ़ी अच्छी मिलती है, सारा कॉफ़ी प्लांटेशन है यहाँ पर और कॉफ़ी की फैक्ट्री है बेसिकली। और कॉफ़ी टूर भी होता है कावेरी पीक स्टेट। बेसिकली यहाँ पर कॉफ़ी टूर होता है। ये रहा काफ़ी पेरी। तो पहुँच चुका हूँ मैं दोस्तों कावेरी पीक के पास। ये है कावेरी पीक का गेट, कावेरी पीक स्टेट लेक, कावेरी पीक स्टेट लेक, कॉम्बाई वैली व्यू विलेज ग्रैनरी, प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट, फैक्ट्री, म्यूज़ियम एंड इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर। यहाँ पर मुझे कोई दिख नहीं रहा गेट पे। बाइक यहीं लगाता हूँ और अंदर जाके पूछता हूँ कोई है क्या।
అదే సేమ్ రేట్ పౌడర్ ఎన్న రేటు అదే
ఇద్దరు So he wants to take it with him.
In Chevrine region, we have 3 highest peak. First highest peak, you can see the famous temple is there, Chevrine temple.
We
That
went
is,
there today.
yes, sir. That is the first highest peak. Second, while coming time, you can see one village is there, Pilur village. That is government reserve forest. Third highest peak is Kaveri Peak. Kaveri Peak is the third highest peak, 4,600 feet in the sea level, sir. We are in the middle of the loop road, sir. This way it goes to Yercaud in 18 kilometers. This way it goes to Yercaud in 15 kilometers. We are in the middle, sir. Actually, the Yercaud is one of the villages, sir, in Chevrine region. And two most common varieties are there, sir, in the coffees. One is Arabica, one is Robusta. Compare with Robusta, Arabica is a more superior quality, and Arabica coffee needed cooler chill climate and higher elevation. So here in the Kaveri Peak estate, we have a cooler chill climate and higher elevation. So this is very suitable for Arabica coffee growing here. Here we have only Arabica coffee, sir. We don't have a Robusta. Robusta coffee, it will grow in lower elevation also, but we can't consume separately the Robusta coffee. But Arabica coffee we can consume separately. And here two monsoons are happening, sir. One is southwest monsoon, one is northeast monsoon. The southwest monsoon will happen June-July time. That time will get less rainfall only here. The northeast monsoon will happen November to January. That time will get heavy rainfall here, sir. And here we have only Arabica coffee. And third, coffee processing, sir. Coffee is a fruit. Coffee has 5 layers. First 3 layers we are removing in the wet mill. Remaining 2 layers we are removing in the dry mill. After we'll roast it and grind it. After roast only we'll get coffee smell, sir. Before that we'll not get any coffee smell. And
So out of 5 layers, 3 you will remove and 2 you...
yes, sir. 2 mill we have, sir. Wet mill and dry mill, sir. First 3 skins we are removing in the wet mill. Remaining 2 skins we are removing in the dry mill. After we'll roast it and grind it. And we have a nursery, sir, in front of the cafe. From the best coffee plants, coffee cherries are we'll put it in the jungle soil, river sand and fertilizer like that. After 3 months, the seed it will popping up like small saplings, sir. And we'll transfer into the nursery plants. After 8 to 9 months, it will grow like big plants. If 12 to 15 leaves coming during rainy season, we'll plant it into the estate, sir. From the new plant, we will give the cherries after 3 to 4 years, sir. Coffee plant lifetime is 40 to 80 years, but best productive time is 20 to 40 years, sir. Coffee is like a fruit. Due to higher elevation, it will take longer time to ripe, sir. That's why there is single harvest in a year, sir. Harvesting season, harvesting time, November to March, sir. Now harvest is going on, sir. Coffee
November to
harvest.
March. So yearly one.
Yes, yearly one, sir.
So the remaining months, what will you do?
Remaining months, we have a maintenance work, sir.
Okay.
And the coffee in the...
Preparing all the...
Yes, sir. We are giving fertilizer. We are using pesticides also. Because the Arabica coffee, it will attract more pest and disease, sir. And that's why we are using pesticides, sir. What all are disease means leaf rust, white stem borer, berry borer, these kind of disease will attack. So do you have any?
So how many acres your
So
estate?
this is 257 acres, sir. Total size of the estate 257 acres. Altitude 4,600 feet, sir.
Why is it named Kaveri?
So we have a peak inside the estate. I'll show you, sir. From that peak, we can see the Kaveri River Mettu Dam. That's why it's called Kaveri Peak, sir.
Oh, okay. You can see the Kaveri River.
Now we can't go to the peak. We can
see the dam. We can see the
Yes.
Kaveri Dam. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That's in the Mettur.
Okay. Mettur.
That's in Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Because the Kaveri River is shared by both Tamil Nadu.
That's right. Yeah, I know. Okay. So which is the first highest peak you told?
Chevrine. Valley, sir.
Chevrolet Peak Hills is the highest peak.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
while going, you can.
And this is third highest peak,
This is
Kaveri.
third highest peak, sir.
And second one?
Government Reserve Forest, Pilur village, sir.
अच्छा पिल्यूर विलेज ओके अंडरस्टूड ओके
So do you have any doubts, ma'am? So next museum.
okay so is that the museum
That is the museum.
so we will go to the museum right now okay let me bring my bag
After the museum, we can bring your vehicle.
MSP Plantation Kaveri Peak Estate head office. So this is the head office of the Kaveri Peak Estate.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is MSP Plantation?
Sir, that first 3 generation names are M for Mundakannan, S for Sindhi Kumar, P for Perisam.
Okay. So this is the name or the initials of the first 3 generation of the owners of
Yes, sir.
Kaveri Peak
Yes.
Estate. Okay.
Correct. Sir, now we have 3 estates in Devarayan region. Now we have in the Kaveri Peak estate. This is 257 acres. This is the middle elevation. This 3 estates, 4,600 feet in the sea level. This is Chevrais estate. This estate we can notice while coming in the place called as Manchukote. There we can see this is the highest elevation. These 3 estates. This is 36 acres, sir. And this is Glenfell estate. This estate we can notice while coming in the 17th Harbin Bend. There we can see this is the lowest elevation. These 3 estates. This is 130 acres.
So basically we have three tea estates. One is Kaveri and Chevroy and then
Glenfell.
Glenfell estates. Okay.
Yes.
All 3 are owned by the same person or?
Yes.
Okay.
Same. So please come. Sir. So ma'am, this is 150-year-old estate, ma'am. Now our present owner name Mr. Vijayan Rajesh and his son Mr. Vishnu Rajesh, sir. Now it's going on 5th generation. This is our estate legacy, sir.
So it started in 1867.
Yes, sir.
By whom? Who?
Mr. Joachim.
Okay, Mr. E. Joachim.
Yes, sir.
So he's an Indian. He was an Indian, or okay, or
Sir,
British.
British period, sir.
Okay, it was started during the British period, but it was started by an Indian guy or a British guy.
No, sir, British one.
British person. Okay. Okay.
Can be.
So Shekari is also grown over here, apart from
No,
coffee.
no, sir. No,
Okay.
sir. It's not from.
So these are the various stages of the life cycle of the
Coffee
coffee
cycle.
bean.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, that's what it is.
ఇది రెండు కలిసి ఉంటాయి కదా ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇలా సి రెండు కలిపి ఉన్నాయి.
Double side cycle, that is all our tools. This is pedal car, toy car, sir.
So these tools are not being used now. So they were used for what purpose before?
For engines.
For engines.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The dry mill, wet mill,
Okay.
and for the vehicles, sir.
Okay. So now they are not being used. They are kept only for the display purpose in the museum.
Yes.
Okay. And this is the weighing machines, weigh scales.
That is
Okay.
weighing scale.
And these are saws,
Wood stuff.
wood saws, such big wood saws. They were used for cutting big trees and logs.
Correct.
Okay. So how old are these tools and machineries?
I don't know,
They
sir.
don't have. It could be during the must have been used during the start of this coffee estate, 1867.
No, sir, not that much.
It looks like it's pretty old. So another deputation to HE governors of Madras. And who are they?
So these all are Nadar family, sir.
Another family.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
He's Mr. Sindhi Kumar, sir.
Sindhi Kumar.
I told you the second.
Okay. Second generation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So he's the second generation owner of this Kaveri Peak estate. Okay. Okay. And there are so many pictures of different people who have visited over here. Who is she?
They are came from outside for
Okay.
research purpose.
So they were all
Coffee
various
research.
dignitaries for coffee research. They came at different time. Okay. Understood.
Calculator.
Yes, sir.
Only for addition.
This is filter, sir. Coffee filter.
Okay.
This is coffee grinder. That is calculator only for the additions.
Okay. So what is the purpose of using these bottles? Big
So that
bottles?
is for glass acid.
So this it is mentioned it's for honey extraction.
No,
honey?
sir, that is different one.
That is different.
These are different, sir.
Okay.
Used for curing rubber.
Okay, this is for curing
Before
rubber.
Yes, sir. They had rubber trees.
Okay. Okay. There were a lot of rubber trees as well at long time
Inside the
ago.
estate.
But now we don't have rubber trees over here.
No, sir.
Okay. And this machine also is used for rubber extraction or something
not
like
for-
processing rubber?
Pressure sprayers.
Okay, pressure sprayers, pump action. I don't know what is this. Okay. It looks like a complicated machinery.
Rice and all that. And it separates the response will come out and deep floor and all that if you want to just pour it in there. My language, that is I've seen all this. You're not sure what it is. Even typewriters were there. ఇక్కడ వేస్తే ఇలా వచ్చాయి ఊరుతుంది.
ఇలాగంటే
ఊరితే జల్లి
This is coffee roaster. This is hand operated coal fired coffee roaster.
So this is hand operated coffee grinder, sir.
Okay.
Put the roasted coffee beans inside and rotate like that. We'll get the coffee powder from inside.
Okay.
This is electric
Operated.
operated roasted, sir. Coffee roasted.
Okay.
And this is hand operated coal fired coffee roasted. We can
Okay.
put the coal fire here. Green coffee beans inside.
Okay.
Rotate like that. We'll get the roasted coffee beans from.
Understood. So now we have all these machineries, but more
Electricity.
in more advanced and automatic form. Okay. Okay.
And sir, these stones are, we don't know these are meteorites or what. We found these rocks from our estate. It looks like meteorite.
Okay. So it could be a possible meteorite rocks, but we are not really sure about that because no research has been done to authenticate whether it is a meteorite rock. But it appears to be a meteorite-like rocks. Okay. Yeah. That's right. Good collection of rocks. And what are these
For
storage boxes for
coffee.
for coffee storage?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are we going to see the actual factory where the coffee production goes on right now?
Yes, sir. Next,
Okay.
lake and viewpoint.
Lake and viewpoint.
After the lake and viewpoint, we can go to wet mills.
Okay.
So you preserved all this and we That's the beauty. That's good. No, no, it's there. Drinking water is there. Yeah, I've seen it in my videos. Melbourne, no?
So all these birds are found in this coffee estate?
Yes, sir. These are like here.
Okay. There are so many hummingbirds as well. Different varieties of hummingbirds are also found, huh? And sunbirds. Okay.
That bird is
That is called kingfisher.
no, sir. That bulbul.
Mm-hmm. Bulbul. That's right. Let's come down. very beautiful place.
Thank you, sir.
Wow, such a beautiful little lake.
So that is the peak. From that peak we can see the Mettur Dam, Kaveri river. That's why it's called Kaveri Peak. This is lake, sir. This is man-made lake.
Okay.
Before it was like a swamp. After
Okay.
only they create this lake. This is 45 feet, sir, inside. Inside we have
45 feet
yes,
deep.
sir.
Okay.
Inside we have fishes also, katla, rogu, tilapia, this kind of fishes.
Okay.
We have 14 channels in our estate, sir. All the rainwater will come here only.
Okay.
Only one outlet channel we have there.
Mm-hmm.
If more rainwater will come, means it will go outside.
Understood.
Yes, sir. And one that is Lake Bund, sir. That path.
Lake
If-
Bund.
Yes, sir. If that bund is not there, means water will flow outside.
Understood. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just to prevent water from flowing outside, they have created that raised structure called Lake Bund.
Mm.
Okay. And in order to see that Kaveri Dam, we have
Yes.
to climb that peak.
We have to, yes, correct.
Okay.
What's it?
நடந்து போகும்போது. We have a horse tour, sir, historical horse tour. In that tour we can go there. But
Okay.
we have to know self-ride.
Okay. You need to be a rider, horse rider in that case. Okay.
இப்படி அது அது இங்கடா
अभी दोस्तों मैं कावेरी पीक स्टेट के अंदर आ चुका हूँ। यहाँ पर व्हीकल्स अलाउड है और यहाँ थोड़ी देर अंदर आने के बाद ये एक बहुत ही सुंदर छोटी सी लेक नज़र आई है। दिस इज़ अ मैन मेड लेक एंड वी हैव गॉट प्लेंटी ऑफ फिशेस ओवर हियर, वी कैन सी, बट फिशिंग इज़ नॉट अलाउड। और आगे एक पीक है जिसको बोलते हैं कावेरी पीक, वहाँ से कावेरी डैम जो है वो नज़र आता है, बट वहाँ तक अभी हम नहीं जा सकते हैं, तो हम आसपास का एरिया एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं। तो ये जो है ये बेसिकली वाटर आउटलेट है। सारा पानी जो है इस लेक में 4 डायरेक्शन से आके इकट्ठा हो जाता है बरसात के समय, और जब वाटर ओवरफ्लो होता है तो यहाँ से पानी बाहर की ओर निकल आता है इस तरफ, यहाँ से। ये है आउटलेट, ये नीचे। ये वाटर आउटलेट है और यहाँ पर बनाया हुआ है वाटर इनलेट। ऐसे 4 इनलेट है यहाँ पर। ऊपर पहाड़ों से पानी आकर के इस लेक में इकट्ठा हो जाता है और बहुत सारी फिशेस है इस जगह में। और चारों तरफ कॉफ़ी प्लांट्स तो आप देख सकते हो। ये लेक का दूसरे साइड का एरिया है और यहाँ पर इस लेक में बहुत सारी मछलियाँ हैं।
In between one village is there, that village name is Kombai, sir. That's why it's called Kombai Valley View, sir.
Okay, Kombai Valley View.
Yes, sir. This is northernmost end, sir. The viewpoint. Salem town is southernmost end.
Okay.
Yes, in 100 kilometers you will reach the Bangalore, sir. Straight line 100 kilometers.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So guys, this is the view of Kombai Valley, and that village is called Kombai Valley. So this side we have got Salem, right? This side, and this side we have got Kombai Valley.
Yes, sir. This is northernmost.
So this is the coffee factory, right? Where coffee is
Yes, sir.
processed.
This is wet mill, sir.
This is the wet mill. Okay.
Yes.
And you have a similar dry mill as well. So after coffee is processed in the wet mill, it is taken to the dry mill.
Yes.
Okay. And we'll also go to that place. Okay. तो दोस्तों ये जो जगह देख रहे हो ये है कॉफ़ी वेट मिल। यहाँ पर जो वेट प्रोसेसिंग होती है कॉफ़ी की वो यहाँ की जाती है और इसके बाद हम लोग जाएंगे ड्राई मिल में जो किसी दूसरी जगह में है। और ये पूरा नज़ारा जो आप देख रहे हो ये दोस्तों है कावेरी कॉफ़ी एस्टेट का नज़ारा है। अभी थोड़ी देर पहले जहाँ से हम आए हैं वो है कावेरी पीक, वहाँ हमें दिखा था और वहाँ एक छोटी सी लेक थी। अब हम यहाँ आ चुके हैं जिस जगह का नाम है कावेरी कॉफ़ी एस्टेट में वेट मिल। यहाँ देख सकते हैं कितनी सारी कॉफ़ी यहाँ पर सुखाई जा रही है धूप में। यू कैन सी कॉफ़ी बीन्स आर बीइंग सन ड्राइड। Okay, let's go to the top.
Black is the second quality.
So this is wet mill, sir.
Okay.
We'll bring all the coffee berries here. We'll put weighment. After the weighment, they'll put all the coffee berries here. This is the fruit tank, sir.
Okay.
From that pipe, it will go to the machine, sir. That is the machine to remove all the skin.
Okay.
Will go down, sir.
So basically all the raw fruit will be kept over here. It will be washed.
Yes.
And then all the fruit will be carried away from this place to this area. Through this pipe.
It will go to the machine, sir.
Oh, it will go to the machine and then that machine will remove the skin of the fruits.
Yes, sir.
So only the seed will be left out. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, abhi meko kal. So this is coffee sample set. That flower is coffee flower. It looks like a jasmine flower and smell also like jasmine flower, sir. And it will turn like cherries, the green colored cherries. The December time only we'll get the dark red colored fruits, sir. That time we'll get all the berries here. We are removing 3 skins, sir. After removing 3 skins, we'll get that coffee, sir. 1, 2, 3. That third stage coffee will dry into the sunlight, sir. And after we are going to remove 2 skins in the drying. And we'll get that green coffee beans, sir. And after we'll roast it and grind it.
Okay.
Sir, please come. Sir, after 5 p.m. the workers will bring the coffee berries here. They'll put all the fruits in the fruit tank. From there, through that pipe, it will come here. You can notice the drum there. From there, it will come to the top of the machine here. It will be feeding here, sir. Inside we have a peeler to remove the skins. And you can notice 2 pipes here. First pipe, only the outer skin will be removed, sir.
Okay.
Afternoon we did on process, sir. First pipe, it will remove outer skin only. The second pipe, immature coffee fruit, it will be removed, sir. That immature coffee fruit, that is second quality, sir. Whatever we are drying there, that are second quality coffee, sir.
Okay.
The husk, the outer skin, we can use for fertilizer, sir. Yes, sir. Finally, that green coffee beans, so it will be washed here through this pipe. Through this pipe, it will go for straight drying yard, sir. We can notice these all are drying yards.
Oh.
Through that pipe, it will go for straight drying yard, sir. From the gun. Yes, I can see that pipe. Yes, sir. It will go for straight drying yards, and manually we are spreading out here.
Okay.
It will take 2 weeks, sir, to
Two
drying
weeks to dry.
purpose. Yes, sir.
Okay.
This is the second quality one.
No, sir. These are
The outer shell.
this one we can use for fertilizer.
Oh, the outer shell, sir.
Outer skin. That is second quality, sir. That coffee.
Green.
இது என்ன மாய்ஸ்சர்ல ஃபைனல் அவுட் எடுப்பாங்க தெரியுமா?
Oh yes, sir. We have a moisture meter. It will 11.11 something, sir.
Okay.
That time we are bringing all the coffees. We'll keep in the godown, sir.
Okay.
All the coffees.
Then it will go to the dry mill.
Dry milk, yes, sir.
So basically, the moisture meter will measure the moisture content of the coffee beans. So the pure, good quality coffee beans should have the moisture content of less than 11%, 10 to 11%. That's what we mean, right?
11 to 11 point.
Okay.
11 only, sir.
11 only, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
11 only.
Okay. And what about these second grade coffees? What are these used for? These are
The local coffee buyers or instant coffee buyers, they'll take from us, sir.
Okay. Okay.
These are immature coffee fruit from that second pipe.
Understood.
Coffee.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
They'll take.
So all these first grade coffee or the premium grade coffee are exported or they are consumed within the country? They are sold within the country.
Exporting, and we are using here also, sir.
Okay.
In the cafe.
In the cafe.
We have an online shop also.
Okay.
We are giving export quality coffee only, sir.
Okay.
Morning, whatever I bought, it's all export quality.
Yes, correct, sir.
Okay.
You drank lime. That coffee also export quality.
Understood.
இந்த இன்ஸ்டன்ட் காஃபின்றதுலாம் செகண்ட் குவாலிட்டியில் வருதுமா?
அது நம்ம நல்லாவே ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ண முடியாது சார். ஆமாம் சார். இப்போ நீங்கள் ஒரிஜினல் காஃபி குடிச்சு முடிச்ச பிறகு
And they mix
instant
the
coffee you can
story and all that.
identify.
And instant coffee is they mix with story and all.
Yeah, then
அந்த
check it.
ஸ்மெல்லும் நம்மளால நல்லா கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும் சார். ஆமாம்.
Most of the instant coffees are made in the second quality.
So after all these coffee beans are dried over here,
Yes,
they are
sir.
taken to the dry
Dry
processing unit. And where do you have the dry processing unit?
That is near the cafe only.
Okay, that is near the cafe. So that is the end point of our
No,
Today's
roasting.
tour.
Roasting.
roasting is the end point.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So after it is dried, then it will be taken to the roasting unit.
Roasting. Yes, sir.
Okay. And then the finally packaging unit.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Drying means remaining 2 skins only we are removing this.
Okay.
Here we
Okay.
are drying in the natural sunlight.
So how many layers of skins does coffee beans have?
5 layers.
5 layers. So all the 5 layers has to be removed. And these
Here we remove
machine,
3 skin.
These machines only remove 3 layers of
3
skin.
layers.
Okay.
2 skins we are going to remove in the dry mills.
Okay.
So we can see the washed coffee there,
Mm-hmm.
the good quality coffee.
Can we go over there?
Yes.
Okay.
இது மாதிரி காய வச்சதுக்கப்புறம் எவ்வளோ நாள் ஸ்டோர் பண்ணலாம் அது
Sir, அது 3 months வரைக்கும் resting period sir.
ஸோ கம்பல்சரி 3 months அப்புறம் தான் அது ட்ரை
ஆமா சார். ஆமா சார். அதுக்கப்புறம் போயிட்டு இப்போ நம்ம பண்ற ப்ராசஸ் காஃபி தான் 1 year வரைக்கும்
வச்சுக்கலாம்.
ஆமா சார். ஏன்னா திரும்ப அடுத்த இயருக்கு தான் காஃபி வரும். இயர்லி 1 crop.
ஓகே
And what is this smell? Fermentation smell? Is it coming from this second?
Coffee, yes, sir.
Huh?
Coffee.
Second grade coffee.
This is husk only, sir.
Hmm.
This is not coffee.
Achha, these are only husks. These are not coffee. Coffee
No.
beans has already been extracted.
There, sir.
Okay, it is kept over there.
Yes, sir. Coffee beans all are there, sir. The
Okay.
drying yard.
Okay.
Good coffee beans all are in the drying yard.
Okay.
The second quality coffee.
It is kept over there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This is husk.
Okay. So while coming to this Kaveri estate, I found that lot of husk was thrown on the roadside as well.
Yes,
So
sir.
why was it done?
For fertilizer only, sir.
this coffee be
For fertilization. Okay.
Yes, sir. Through that pipe, it will go for straight drying.
Okay. So here the premium grade coffee beans are getting dried, and it will take around 2 weeks time to dry these coffee beans.
Taste
கண்டினியூஸாக ஆளுங்க இங்கே
ఆ కలర్ గ్రీన్ కలర్లో అది
So
yearly once மட்டும்தான்
இது இருப்பாங்க
Yes, sir.
So I see that coffee beans are very less in quantity. I do not see much coffee beans over here. Just few bits and pieces of coffee beans are thrown. It is covered.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
it's covered.
Sir, come
because
with-
it's rained, I believe. So
Okay.
it's covered.
So they have covered it to protect it from the rain.
Yes.
Oh, acha.
Sir, please come.
Okay. So you have covered it with this sheet. Under the sheet we have coffee beans. You can see this. These are the premium grade coffee beans. Okay.
Or we'll go there, sir.
Can I pick some coffee beans? Wow, it looks like granules.
Sir, we'll go there. We can see the open coffee. Okay.
Yeah, I smell.
So when they dry it, actually you get that color, the brown color. After roasting, yeah.
வாசமும் அப்போ தான் வரும்
Right now there is no taste in these coffee beans. It's tasteless.
It is tasteless. It is not aromatic.
So all the aroma will come after roasting.
Yes, sir.
Amazing. This coffee bean has so many layers of its properties, which comes after different processes.
It's all creation.
Amazing. So this is a drying area where coffee beans are getting dried. Right now it is covered with this sheet in order to protect these coffee beans from rain. When did it rain over here?
Sir, last night also.
Last night also it rained, huh?
I think even early morning also when we were coming, it was raining.
I went to Bali few years ago. There is something called Luwak coffee. Do you know? There is a cat called Sweet Cat.
Yes, I know.
That cat eats that coffee and then take it out of
That
its
is a
shit.
costly coffee, sir.
It's very costly.
Yes.
There it is produced Luwak
Cat
coffee.
eats and
Yeah, it's called Sweet Cat.
okay.
Sweet Cat. It's kind of a wild cat. They give
They feed it.
these coffee beans and the cat feed on the coffee beans and after that it takes out excrete the coffee beans through its natural normal processes and then they extract those coffee beans from the shit and then clean it and process it and that's called Luwak coffee and it's very costly.
Yes,
3
sir.
times
It's a
costlier than the normal coffee.
The cat also must be very expensive.
Yeah. Okay, here we can see white color, off-white color coffee beans. So how much coffee is produced from this factory every year?
Sir, I don't know, sir, the outturn how.
Mm-hmm.
இங்கே நிறைய இங்கேயே வந்துட்டு 60% கப்பல் ஆகும்
Yeah.
ஏன்னா இந்த ஃப்ரூட் அந்த ஹஸ்க் இருக்குல்ல சார் ஹஸ்க்கு அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்துட்டு அந்த ஃப்ளோட் ஆகிட்டு
That is because of whether they are using the fertilizer or village. Actually, in food.
So shade trees are useless, no? So they are calculating it from it.
That's right. And what variety of these long big trees?
That is
Yeah.
silver oak tree, sir.
Silver oak trees.
That is a cash crop tree only. We can use for furnitures like that.
Okay.
The other jungle trees, it will prevent soil erosion also, sir.
Okay.
So எல்லாமே ஆல்ரெடி இருந்ததுன்னா இல்லை கல்டிவேட் பண்ண ட்ரீஸ் அது எல்லாமே திரும்பி திரும்பி பிளான் பண்ணுறது தான் ஃபுல்லாகவே.
Acha, what is the best time to visit this Kaveri coffee estate to see the entire process of extraction of the coffee?
You can't see entire process, sir, because this is yearly once happen. The roasting and grinding weekly 2 times we are doing, sir.
Okay.
Throughout the year, sir.
Okay.
These are the second quality coffees.
So this is a second grade or second quality coffee. You can see it is also getting dried. There is a stark difference between these coffee beans and the other white color coffee beans that we see. So why is it darker in color, the second quality coffee
Because
beans?
this is not washed, sir, and we
Okay.
are not we didn't remove the 3 skins.
Okay.
These are from that second pipe coffee, sir.
Okay, okay.
Immature coffee.
We now
sir.
just
The floating coffee.
Immature coffee,
Yes.
not grown fully.
Okay. How many workers work over here?
Sir, the season time about 200 people will.
200 people work over here.
What is the season time?
So the fruit season.
November to
this
March.
time.
November to March.
Yes, sir.
So they have already plucked, I think. Most of it is plucked already. Now it is March.
Yes.
It has already been harvested, yeah.
So we'll go by this way.
Okay. So can we start now? Start our vehicles?